Hi, my name is Anna Vohra, and today I am giving the presentation of project in principal project management. First of all, we have to my idea about what we have learned in a week 1 to week 8. First of all, we have to talk about that. So in week 1, we have the reflected video of week 1 about showing the experience of through emotion and goals highlighted in the modules in just about the comprehension test, about the personal growth, learning, and starting meaningful academic journey. Second, we have the choice in a week 2 about this week highlighted the most element of goals and projection, initial assets, fundamental of project success, and understanding project life cycles. In week 3, we have the focus on project planning and about crucial establishment of the fundamental early in a projection lifetime. In week 4, we have the estimating project and cost with the techniques and creating the project links, schedules, and Gantt chart of the tasks and timelines are using the RACI metrics and defined roles in a system. I think of the project system. Week 6, we have the quality is meeting customers' needs of ensuring products and services of fit for the intended use. About the week 6 and about the given the idea about the most signification in week 7 about the project monitoring. It is essential for project early for go exactly planned by the adjustment and needed. So a monitoring system involves data collection, analysis, and progress reporting. In week 8, we have the cycle about the life cycle. Project have the phases of initiation, planning, execution, and closure. Planning is key. This involves the estimating time and cost, have schedules and defines role. So we have to involve into use in a like Gantt chart and raise materials by inequality material. Quality management is ensure the project meets required through planning, insurance, and control. Track progress and performance in given idea. And then we have the projection about reflection of PPT. So firstly, we have the event to give 2000 words, which we have created about the event about the healthcare, health, wellness unplugged. So first of all, we have the holistic health experience project. So I would like to start my assignment. This event is aimed to promote well-being of fitness, physical fitness, and nutritional awareness among university students through expert-led sessions. So the main idea about the main deliverables, including full day events. It is a full day event schedule and promotional materials, voluntary plan, and post event feedback report and donation record. So we have the try to make a more idea about the concept about the event to make idea. So firstly, we have created the idea about the concepts about the mention to project is timeline and key monitoring. First of all, we have the idea about the project and span about for initial planning in week 5. So to event of execution is week 12. So with a milestone such as marketing launch in week 6 and the presentation in final presentation in week 11. So we have the briefly touch on the project organization and structure. We use a project based structure to ensure a daily charity and efficient decision making. So we have used a project based structure. So we have the reflection on project planning. So first of all, we have to discuss the process of planning. First, we have planning phase involves setting smart objectives, creating and work breakdown structure, and developing project schedule. Second, we have explained how to register for key planning and decisions. For example, we use a bottom up estimation approach to create a realistic and budget consideration cost of revenue in marketing and refreshment speakers and printing. Thirdly, we have the decision about how to use and bottom to approach offer driven by the need of detail and accurate financial forecast, because we have only a 3,000 limit about to purchase in an event, and we have to create a successful event. So we have to mark the financial criteria for reflect on the challenges how you address. One of the challenges was time limitation, which we address, and implementing agile planning and weekly progress tracking. Reflection on project execution on a management. So firstly, we have discussed a leadership approach, who a leader and who is the leader management. So as the project manager, I adopted a supervisory and collaborative leadership style, focusing on opening communication and inclusive decision making. Secondly, we have the point of reflect on team dynamics and communication. Effective and communication was crucial. So we have the implemented weekly team meeting and instant messaging, email, brief, and a shared drive for collaboration to touch with the plan and event why we have to clear. So After we have the reflect on team dynamics and communication. So after that we have the quality management. So we have the quality management, and we have to consider the risk management also. So ensure high quality event, we check checklist conducted by a dry run and perform pre-event quality adducts. Risk and management was also critical, and we developed a mitigation strategy for potential issue like speaker no shows for low student attendance. So we have the key expectation about the attendance, about the we have the creating the idea about the concept. So firstly we have to create a more concept about the event. So we have the key learning and insights. So we have share what you learn about our project, and through this project I gain a valuable insight into importance for through planning, effective communication, proactive risk management in project success. So discuss how the we have experience about this experience has reinforced my understanding of the need of adaptability, of problem solving skill and project management. Our event is going to raise our student funding, and as well as at another side of funding to clear all the successful event. We have the 700 limit of a total budget of our event. It is a social, is a stakeholder engagement, collaborative environment. In application for explain how you can apply. I believe the skill and knowledge I will acquire, such as stakeholder management skill in mitigation and quality ensures we highly transferable for future project management roles. I play to continue my leadership to a communication skill, and effectively I lead you a diverse team and deliver successful project. In conclusion, I will say that Wellness Unplugged project provides a valuable learning experience, enhancing my understanding of project management principle of participate. Thanks to the audience of their initiative to visual consideration, and thanks to a Ravensbourne University that they even got in a way of in a Ravensbourne auditorium. They give the booking, and we have the raise an event on the 14 April 2025. Visual consideration as a clarity of a considering income visual like screenshot and project plan. We have created in a grand chat and even short video clip, or even if available if you make it engaging, clarity and concision speaking with a clear and avoiding jargon. So enthusiasm shows passion or about the enthusiasm of project practice rehearsal script smooth. We have the given idea about the event. So we have the created mode idea about the concept. So we have all the types of event which we created is in a we put in a link of a ppt in a form. So we have document about this caring about the thing given idea. We have also learned many things in our weeks of before we have presentation. We want to week 8 the most ideal things we are given by this to our team to give more concept in a video which give idea. So in a event we have to give a more effectively, so we have to successful, so we have to create a manageful. So we have creating our team member also. We with me the 6 members are also 5 members are working, so we are total 6 members. The 6 members they have own different position and different stages to do. I am the team leader, so I have created the event, and so I have given all the various roles to my colleagues. So they were given the beautiful idea and created the event. So it's event also goes very good, and we have a successful idea because we have spent 700 pound. So we have also come from that type of perception. We have also communicate from students and encourage the people of a branding and poster. So we always give a successful event because when we are purchasing anything, we have the output on how it's back. So we have all things to information in our document. So this is our event, and this thank you for everything for supporting our event and success well-being. So thank you for everything. My name is Anna Warner. My course name is MSc Project Management, and this is presentation of Principal Project Management. Thank you.